Welcome back to Crafty Friends. This is Sonia here, and today we are going to alter this wooden piece. And I am going to do my mixed media technique on this with this beautiful stencil from our store. And yes, first we need to prep up our base, and for that, I'm going to use gesso. Yes, it's a white gesso, and I'm going to apply good 2 coats of gesso on my complete palette, and even I'm going to cover up the sides of this palette also. Now with the help of my heat gun, I am going to make sure that I dry this up completely so that I can move on to my next step. And yes, I'm just going to make sure that the holes which is there in my palette is completely clean so that later on I can add my strings to that. Now everything is dried out and it's time to add some beautiful shades. So here I'm using 4 different shades of chalk paint, and yes, with a brush I'm going to spread it just like a rough color on my complete palette. So here I will be blending 4 different colors. I actually it's 3 colors, and with one I'm going to give a complete cover coat. So the 3 colors which I'll be using on my base is pink, blue and green, and yellow is something which I'm going to cover on my complete palette and all the 4 sides of my palette. You just need to brush up these chalk paints, and you need to make sure that you have all the shades on your palette so that once you scrub that with your sandpaper, all the colors pops out really well. Now here I will be covering the complete palette with a yellow color chalk paint, and I'm going to make sure that I have a good one coat of paint on my complete palette. Now the fun part begins here. All my colors have dried out really well, and now I will be using my sandpaper and I will be scrubbing off the top layer, the chalk paint yellow shade, and I will make sure that I can see the base colors really well. And end of the scrubbing is going to be really fun because you can see all the colors popping out so well from your palette. Now it's time to use my stencil, and it's a 12 by 12 stencil with different kind of quotes in it, and I have chosen to use life is gift. And yes, I will be using my acrylic paint for this one and my sponge dauber. Now what I'm going to do is I am just going to have a drop of color and then I'm going to spread it. You need to be really careful with this step so that you do not overdo the coloring, which is going to lead to the excessive spread of color, and we definitely don't want that. So just a dot of color, and you need to spread it really well in your palette. The final thing is to add the texture to it, and this is going to add some more drama to my project. So here I am using my modeling paste, and this is the script stamp which is also available in our store. And now I will be covering my complete palette except the quotation part, which we have already done with our acrylic paint, and we are going to do this texture paint paste completely on my palette, removing the main center area. Now once my texture base is dried out, it's time to highlight them, and for that I'm using a shimmer paint. You can use your metallic paints or any other different shades, whatever you want, and with this I'm going to give a nice highlight to my texture paste, and this is actually going to help in highlighting all the scripts stencil work, and I'm also going to create a border with the same paint. Now it's time to seal up my project, and here I have my varnish, and I'm going to make sure that I apply generous amount of varnish on my complete project. Once I'm done with my varnish work, then I'm going to color the backside of my palette in plain black color. I'm using acrylic black color for that. Now it's time to add a thread to it, and here I'm using a brown shade jute thread to it, and I'm going to give this a look of a paper bag. So I'm going to tie my thread in a way so that when I hold the decorative piece, it looks like it's a paper bag. So yes, with this my tutorial is done, and I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any queries, please feel free to comment below, and our team will be very happy to help you all. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.